Hey folks, how you doing today? So what we're offering this morning is what I believe to be a turn of the century to probably about 1920s Dayton hanging computing scale. Excuse me. We just got this in and we did a service and detail. Somebody restored it some time ago. They did a very, very nice job. As you can see, everything has been plated, hand painted. It's done in a metallic maroon finish with gold striping on it. You know, as you can imagine, there's a couple little things you'll see, you know, like there's a little bitty nick there and a little touch, but it's in beautiful condition. I just wanted to say that because it is a bit of a, I don't know how old the restoration, but it's very nicely done. As you can see, somebody spent a lot of money and a lot of time on it. The scale works pretty darn good. It is, as you can well imagine, from the way turn of the century. Beautiful hanging scale. It's going to look good in your collection. Great decorator piece. You can put flowers, plants, put whatever, put some apples in it. Just a great piece for the kitchen or your general store. Anyway, very nice condition. It's all been plated as you see. It's got all the decals, hand pin striped. It's got the nice top signs out of brass. Just a really super nice restored scale. So if you'd like it, give Mr. Walker a text or a call or just push the button on it and we'll get it boxed up and shipped out to you. It's going to look fabulous in your game room or your kitchen or wherever you put it. Just a really super nice Dayton hanging scale, probably from 1901 to probably the mid-20s they built these. Then they went into the white porcelain stuff in probably the 30s and 40s, so they just didn't have all of this ornate castings on them. Anyway, beautiful scale. If you want it, we'll box it up. It all comes, you know, obviously this comes apart, and it's beautiful. Thank you. What do you think, Walker?
What I like about it is if you bought a vintage chandelier or whatever, it'd be too high for people to appreciate. This is, if you have the room, you can hang something. This is something at eye level that people can really come and appreciate, but it is really a piece of hanging art. Don't let it go. I'll weigh in on that.